Hi, I'm Jason. If you're manually uploading the same video to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube Shorts, you're definitely wasting several hours every single week. You upload the video to one platform, wait for it to finish, then from there you're going to copy the caption, open another app, and upload it again, and repeat the same process over and over. And because it takes so much time and effort, you may eventually stop posting consistently on some of your accounts. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to post on multiple social media platforms automatically using Repurpose.io. Here's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be showing you how to create one main content source. Then you're going to choose the platforms that you would like to repurpose your content on. And we're going to be creating a workflow, test everything manually, and we're also going to turn on automatic publishing. The goal is simple. You create and publish your content once, and Repurpose.io helps distribute it across your other social media accounts. I'm going to explain everything slowly in a beginner-friendly way, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll be able to understand. And I've also included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up for free and follow along. Now, let's dive in. Now, once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to Repurpose.io homepage. From there, you're going to tap on Start Automating for free, and you'll be able to publish up to 10 videos for free, and you're just going to sign up using your email address. After you've signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard, and I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. The first thing you'll need to do is select Connections, and this is where you'll be able to connect the different social media platforms. If you're on the free plan, you'll be limited to the amount of social media accounts that you can connect. You're just going to tap on Add Connection right here, and you can see source and destination. The source basically means the first platform that you upload your videos on. So let's say, for example, you like to upload your videos first on TikTok. You will set TikTok as your source. Then the other platforms will automatically be the destination. So that means that you'll be repurposing your videos and posting them on the other platforms. So depending on the plan that you're on, at the moment I'm using the creator plan, so I have access to all of the different social media platforms. I can connect them. You'll simply select a platform. After you have done that, you can enter in your login information and you can connect it. After you have connected the platforms, it is now time to create your workflow. So this is where you'll be able to choose the source and the destination. To do this, you're going to tap on Create Workflow in the top left hand corner. After you have selected Create Workflow, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. From here, let's say, for example, the first place I like to post is YouTube. I'm going to select YouTube as the source. Then I'll select my YouTube channel. After you have done that, you can select the type, shorts or videos. We're going to be selecting shorts. Then we'll choose the platform that we like to repurpose it on. So let's say, for example, once I upload a YouTube shorts, I want it to automatically be posted also on Instagram. I'll simply select Instagram. Then I'll select my Instagram account. After I've done that, you can see right there, it has now been created, and you'll simply tap on Create Workflow. And just like that, whenever I now upload a video on YouTube, it will automatically be posted on Instagram. Now I can create more workflows, so I'll tap on Create Workflow once more. After I've created workflow, I'm going to select YouTube once more, select the channel, and this time I'm going to be posting from YouTube to Snapchat. So I'll simply select Snapchat, select the Snapchat account. Then from there, you can choose Spotlight or Stories. I'm going to be selecting Spotlight, and you're going to tap on Create Workflow. And just like that, the same video, when I upload it to YouTube, it will be pushed to TikTok, it will be pushed to Instagram, and it will also be added to Snapchat, as you can see right there. So one video will be added to 3 platforms automatically, just like that. And if I wanted to create more automations, I could tap on Create Workflow. I could select YouTube once more. And for example, I could select, for example, Facebook this time. Or I could select, for example, Pinterest this time. And I could connect one of those accounts and I could push it to that platform. Another thing that I also recommend that you do when it comes onto Repurpose.io, or overall if you're creating content on social media, I recommend that you back up your content. To do this, with Repurpose.io, you'll simply select backups from the left hand menu option. Then you can select your main content source. So my main content source is YouTube, so I'm going to be selecting YouTube. After you have done that, whenever I now upload a YouTube channel, I can choose, for example, Google Drive or Dropbox. So I could select one of these options. So whenever I upload a YouTube channel, it will automatically be backed up on Google Drive. So if, for example, God forbid anything were to happen to my YouTube channel, it will automatically be backed up on Google Drive. And it would be the same, for example, with TikTok. So if you're posting content mainly on TikTok or Instagram, you want to ensure that your content is backed up just in case of anything. And that's basically how you'll be able to set it up. Once you have set it up, I want you to select workflows, as there are a few more things that I want to show you. After selecting workflows, for example, let's say we were to select YouTube Shorts to Snapchat. And by the way, the reason why you see two right here is because if we were to go onto my YouTube channel, for example, sake, and select, so repurpose.io automatically goes onto your source, and from there it will drag all of the videos. So you'll see the video count right here. Now if I were to tap right here where you see the three dots, after selecting that, I'm just going to tap on settings. Once I've selected settings, this is where you'll be able to further edit it. For example, you can choose to skip certain videos that have in a particular hashtag or keyword. Then you can also tap on the destination. After you have selected the destination, you can choose to remove, for example, YouTube hashtags, as you don't want to use the same hashtags across all of the different social media platforms. You can also select the option at the bottom of the page to use AI to auto-generate post captions for you. So you could toggle that on and you could use that option if you want. Another thing that you can also do by tapping on content, this is where you'll be able to use one of my favorite features. You can use their resizing option. So you can tap right where you see no resize. And what I would recommend you do, if you want to post strictly vertical videos, you can select vertical and you can see an example of how it looks. After you have selected vertical, from there you can see you can add a text watermark to the bottom of your video if you want. You can also choose to burn in subtitle if you want. If you would like to, for example, add an intro, you can do that. You can also choose to add an outro, and you can also auto trim videos to fit your destination. As remember, with certain platforms you can upload videos, for example, that are 60 seconds, 10 minutes and so on, but each platform tend to have different duration. So you can choose to edit it right there. So with this, you'll be able to set up your video style. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save. You can also select publish, and let's say, for example, you would like to publish content that you have posted in the past. You'll simply tap right here where you see repurpose content as soon as possible, and you're going to select repurpose content based on a schedule. After you have done that, you can see all content, future and existing. You're going to select that option. Then once you have done that, you can tap on all posts and you'll select post after a specific date. Then from there, you can choose when you started to post content on social media, how far back you would like to carry it, better yet. So let's say, for example, you started posting good content about 6 months ago. You could carry it back to 6 months, and then you can repurpose those contents and you can start pushing them to Snapchat or whichever platform. And this is where you'll be able to set up your schedule, as you can see right here. And after you have set up your schedule, you can choose to get an email notification whenever a video is successfully published, and you can also choose to get an email when a video fails to publish. Then you'll tap on save to save the changes, just like that. And that's how you'll be able to set it up. Another thing that I want to talk about when it comes on to repurpose.io, now that I've shown you how to create your workflow and how to automate the entire process, now I want to talk about the pricing. With Repurpose.io, you can get started for completely free, as they offer a 14-day free trial period and the option to publish up to 10 videos, so whichever comes first. If, for example, you were to publish 10 videos right out the bat from the first day, your free trial will end right there. If you were to publish 10 videos over the span of 14 days, your free trial will be extended to 14 days. So it all depends on which one comes first. But with Repurpose.io, you can go onto their paid plan for as low as $35 per month. With the $35 per month option, you'll be able to add 3 accounts for each social media platform. So that means 3 Instagram accounts, 3 TikTok accounts if you have it, 3 YouTube accounts, 3 Pinterest account, 3 LinkedIn account, 3 of each social media platform. So that is definitely a good option if, for example, you're a content creator like myself, you're planning to create a personal brand, or you're a small business owner. This is the best option I would recommend. If it is a case that you want to add more social media platforms, you can go on to the pro option, or you can go on to the agency option. Again, I've included links in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and test out this platform for yourself. Thanks for watching.